There are two pretty unhelpful ways of thinking about what a team is. The first is to think about a team just simply as a list of tasks, right? If we think about a team as a list of tasks that need to be done to achieve a particular goal, we really miss out on the magic that it is to be part of a really great team, right? The connections that can happen, the things that can emerge from the power of being a truly great team. And the other kind of unhelpful or incomplete way to think about a team is to think about a team as a collection of complex individuals, right? If a team is a collection of complex individuals, then we're going to need to know everyone really well, really deeply before we can achieve as a team. And that's not really true to our experience of being in teams. Often when we're thrown together into a team, we don't know a lot about everyone, and we can achieve incredible things. So I think this way kind of gets it the wrong way round. In a way, we get to know people by being in a team with them rather than needing to get to know people to be in a team. It certainly misses out on some efficiency. A lot of team building activities are built around this. Like, if we know each other really, really deeply, we'll be a good team. So we've got a way that misses out on the magic and a way that kind of somehow misses out on the direction that's needed in the team. And this is really what the Let's Go model is for. The model that I built the company Let's Go around. And that is because it looks at a team in a way through a completely different lens. It would say that a team has tasks and it has individuals, but isn't tasks and isn't individuals. Instead, the team is a kind of collective life that we have together. That is, it's a way of gathering in a group to get a particular thing done. And what's kind of good about this orientation is you can then think about the team as a kind of as a collective life that has its certain dynamics. And very concretely, we can ask, do we have clear belief and do we have enough belief in what we're trying to do? Do we have the right structure set for the thing that we're trying to gather around? Does our collective life have a good structure? Does our collective life have the right involvement of the right people, right? Are we listening to each other well, and have we got the right experiences and expertise? Are we making progress together? Can we see that we're moving forwards towards the tasks that we're trying to achieve? And are we developing appropriate care? Are we building genuine relationships in this team, right? And every collective endeavour, every team has these dynamics: belief, structure, involvement, progress, and care. And when they're all working well enough, then the team is effective and alive and dynamic. And when they're hindered in any way, any one of those 5 things is hindered, the team is hindered. And you can do that, you can ask those questions kind of regardless of the list of tasks which might change. And you can ask those questions regardless of the particular complexities of the individual dynamics or individual relationships. Because a team isn't its tasks or its relationships, a team is its collective life. And that is what the Let's Go model articulates and encourages us that the main thing that we need to make our teams work well is presence. That is, we need to be present in the collective life of the team, present with our commitments and the things we care about, and also present to notice what's going on in the collective life. That's it. That's the video. A team is our collective life, and collective life is something we can understand beyond the tasks and beyond the individuals.